Let's talk about identifiers. Now, in the previous video in the description below the like button, we talked about variables, and identifiers, the knowledge we learn here, or the knowledge we learn with the variables, can be applied to each other. So identifiers are a programmer identified name, and it represents some element of a program. Variable names are identifiers. So that's where I said there was like a link with them. So again, variable names are identifiers. Now, when making your own variable names as a programmer, you cannot use any of the C++ keywords because those are reserved identifiers. We need to make our own identifiers. Now for some conditions. We can't have spaces in our variable names. Variable names cannot begin with digits either. Variable names may only use letters, digits, or underscores. That's what you're limited to. So that's pretty much it for our identifiers. In the next videos, we'll be going over different data types, getting you ready to code in C++.